Hey everyone! Today, we are diving into a massive wind project in Australia that's making waves. This wind farm, called Whaleback Ridge, is set to be one of the biggest in the country, with up to 280 turbines, each generating up to 10 megawatts of power. That's a lot of renewable energy. But here's the catch: it's in Tasmania, a state known for its stunning natural beauty and unique wildlife. Now, this project is not without its controversies and concerns, and I'm here to break it down for you. First things first, let's talk about the scale. With up to 280 turbines, this wind farm would be a giant in the renewable energy landscape. Each turbine, standing up to 250 meters tall, would be the most powerful in Australia, surpassing the current record holders in Western Australia. The project aims to produce a staggering 2.8 gigawatts of power, which is a significant chunk of Tasmania's energy needs. But here's the interesting part: the plans have evolved since they were first proposed. Initially, the project was envisioned as a behemoth with 500 turbines, but now is scaled back to a more manageable 280. The location is what's got people talking. The proposed site is in the Northwest Renewable Energy Zone, which includes the southern extent of the Tarkine National Heritage Listing. This area is a biodiversity hotspot, home to the EPBC-listed blue-winged parrot and a variety of other native species. The project's developers, Westcoast Renewable Energy, argue that the area has a high wind capacity, citing the existing Granville Harbour wind farm and meteorological data. However, conservation groups like the Bob Brown Foundation have raised concerns about the project's impact on this pristine wilderness. One of the key points that stands out is the potential environmental impact. The documents state that the project has sought to minimize its footprint and has recorded low bird abundance, including the lowest density of wedge-tailed and white-bellied sea eagles among proposed wind farm sites in Tasmania. But it's important to note that the area still provides habitat for a wide range of native fauna species, and the project's location within the Tarkine National Heritage Listing is a significant consideration. Now, let's talk about the numbers. The first phase of the project, which is what's currently being assessed, aims to generate between 288 and 432 megawatts of power. To put that into perspective, it would need either a significant export capacity or major industry to justify the full 2.8 gigawatts. The project's developers are confident that it will meet Tasmania's renewable energy target of 200% renewable energy by 2040. But the question remains: how will this project be financed and what impact will it have on the local community and environment? In my opinion, this project highlights the complex balance between renewable energy development and environmental conservation. While wind farms are crucial for reducing our carbon footprint, we must also consider the impact on the natural world. What makes this project particularly interesting is the ongoing debate about its location and the potential trade-offs between energy production and biodiversity. It raises a deeper question: how can we ensure that our pursuit of a sustainable future doesn't come at the expense of our planet's precious ecosystems? So, what do you think? Is this wind farm a necessary step towards a greener Australia, or is it an overreach that could harm the very environment it aims to protect? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content like this. Thanks for watching.